A GSM mobile station consists of two components: the Mobile Equipment, ME, and the Subscriber Identification Module, SIM. Another solution would be a mobile station with a mobile equipment and a SIM connected to a notebook or an organizer via an interface. Here, the mobile equipment would be used only to access the radio network, whereas the computer would be used as a terminal. The interface could be created by equipping the computer with a PCM-CIA card. UMTS also allows the combination of a computer, a radio PCM-CIA card, and an external IC card reader. Here, the computer serves as the user interface within the network. The radio PCM-CIA card only provides the access to the radio network. An IC card takes over the SIM card functionality, but with a better memory capacity and processor performance. It's connected to the computer via an IC card reader.